So we are done with the about page. Let's do the contact page now in the similar way. So I will go to the about page and I will try to copy some thing and then we'll write on top of it. So let's go to the contact page. This is contact page. So we have already this top section. Let's put the other section. Here I will say contact us. Home is correct. And here let's see what we have in database for the contact. So for the contact, we have, let's see the contact page in the live reminder. So we have this breadcrumb, we have address. So we need address. So let's try to first create the HTML and then we will put the, so here we have the 8 part and this is the 4 part. So we need to divide the page into 2 columns with 8 part here and 4 part here. So I will say here is the 8 part and here is the 4 part. Okay, so now here let's say we have to put contact details. So I will say H3 contact us today, maybe I can say today, contact us today, and then no, I will put contact details, and then I will create the p tag. In the p tag I will put the address, whatever address you are seeing here, this address, and in the database it will be site address. So let's take the site address from here. It's this site address. Let's take phone. I will put all here, then I will copy and paste it. Site timings, site links. Okay, let's use latitude. Let's use longitude. Okay, so first is the site address. So let's copy this site address and put it in the contact one here. Let's take another p tag, and here I want phone. So give the phone icon. I will use font awesome class equal to fa phone for the font awesome, and I will close the I tag, and then I will use colon, and I will put the phone number. I don't need this part. Okay, this is my phone, and then I will go, and here I want to put the email. So I will say envelope, and here I will say I will grab the email part now. And here I will put email part. Let's see how the site looks now. Okay, so since I did not deleted the image, it's showing the image, and but we are getting the contact details here, whatever I used it. This email we can put in the email tag also. I will put a reference equal to mail to, and I'll put the email, and this way I can click the link for the email. Click the link, so it will open my editor with the link. Okay, second one is done. Let's use the timings. So I will copy this part again and put it here. And here I will say FA, instead of phone, I will put clock minus O. And here I will use, instead of phone number, I will use timings. So I will use this timings. I'll delete this image on the left side. Let's refresh. Okay, what is coming here? Twice 12, 13 coming here. Okay, because I did not deleted this part, we need to delete this one. And what is this links? Let's see the links. Email us. It's saying email us. I can also say email us. Instead of saying email, I can say email us. We have timings. We have, okay, this timings part, which is here. Now we have the links. So links will be how the links are saved in the and not logged in. What is the user's admin one? It's my name and password. Okay, how the links are saved? Let's check. So I did not create the links kind of thing in this one. Okay, so I did not put the links here. So let's do that links part tomorrow. Okay, that links which we see here, the links part we will add tomorrow because I need to add in the admin panel also. Let's try to do this two things, contact us form and this image. And this is a Google Map URL. Okay, I will say Google Map iframe code. Let's find out that code. Here it's saying put your API key and you need to find your API key and insert it. So this is something, one way to add the Google Map. And I'm trying to see if I can. Okay, place mode. Let's try to use this one. Okay, let's try to use this URL. And how to use this URL? It's saying use it like this one. So I will use this in my code. I will put it here. Instead of width 600, I will say minimum width. I need to put the class. This is not the class. Okay. Height let it be 300. Let's put 300 height. And let's put the class, and in the class I will put minimum height, or let's put style sheet. And I'll say minimum width of 300 pixel. Let's try this one. Okay, so I'm not authorized to use Google Maps API. Okay, let's try to find another key. So I'm not actually authorized to use this one, right? TJU. Okay, let's try to use this key. So if it says not authorized, you need to go to the Google API and try to, it's not aligned. So I need to update the Google Maps API for my project. So this is the URL to, I need to select the project. For example, I'm selecting this project. So I need to enable the API. So that API is, this is the URL I'm using. You have to change the project, which project you have. If you don't have the project, you have to create it. And I will find the Google Map API. I will find the Google Map API. Google Maps JavaScript API. Let's try to enable this one. Okay, this is enabled. Let's try now. Not working. I'm using correct API. It's rejecting. Okay, what we use in our here, let's see what I used here. At that time, I did not use anything. Right now, they have changed, I think. Let's try to use this one. Let's try now. Okay, now it's giving correctly. So if I say 100%, okay, so I have 100% of width, and height I give the 300. Let's give 450. Okay, now let's try to manipulate this thing. So this is okay, this is the latitude and longitude which I want to place, and I don't see zoom level. I don't see zoom level. Embed places. Okay, I don't see zoom level. Let's see, here we have I'm trying to find how to put the zoom level. We can use this URL also, but I need to see actually which API key is working and which API key I should enable. Right now, I have so many API key. I enabled this one. Since this is not working, I need to find some another theme. This one I think is the correct one. Let's enable this one. Then I can use whatever they have. This maps. Let's try to use this one. So let's if I put this one. Let me see if you see. Not coming. Okay, some problem. Refuse to display this in a frame because it is X frame options to same origin. It state X frame origin. Failed to block by the response. So people also got same problem. Let's see how they are fixing it. Yeah, nobody is able to fix here. You remember we got same problem with the YouTube, and then we used the different URL. Now I'm trying to see how to fix this. Yeah, maybe we'll use different one. I need to research on this because people got same problem and they are not able to resolve it directly in the HTML. They are using some server side code, and it's not. I don't want to use the server side code for this one. So in YouTube we changed the URL which they give. So similarly, your previous URL works fine, but this is not working. Okay, right now I'll use this one. I need to research on that one. I don't know what this one is allowing it, allowing this URL. So below that, I need to create the form, which you see something like this. Let's create the form. So after this iframe, I'll be creating the form. I'll say H3, contact us today. And I will create a form. And inside the form, here I will say div tag of class form group. This is something we got from the bootstrap. I just got class form group, and I'll say label name. This comes directly in the bootstrap. You can grab it from that code which I grab it. Input its text class is form control. So this is the first one. Let's copy paste it. This is the email address. I will name this also email name, and I'll name this as email. Let's create one more, and here I'll say message. And in the message, I will put the text area, and I'll grab the text area, and I'll put the text area here, and here I'll say name equal to message. We did same thing in the life reminder. Remember? Remember that part? We did same thing in the life reminder.
Yes.
Let's let's grab from the life reminder. There is some. We have two style. That's the reason it is giving this yellow color. We cannot have two style in the same tag. Let's go our life reminder and grab the contact part. So this is simple form which we can build. It has method of post. It has a name, field, email address, message, and submit button. So this is the form which we will take it, and I will paste it here. When the form will be submitted, we will have one variable, and that variable is post. So what I will do, I will create a message that user with name this, email this, has sent the following message. This is a message I constructed, and the variables which get the name is in the curly bracket $_post name, curly bracket $_post email, and curly bracket $_post message. These are the variables which will come from these different form fields: email, message, and name. And then we will send the mail using the PHP function mail. We put the to address, we put the subject, we put the message, and we put the from address. And we will say status message submitted, and then we will display this status here. So let's do the same thing. I will put this status in the before the form. I will put the status. So if form is submitted, I will show the status that form message sent. And otherwise, let's grab this whole part and put it in the top of the contact page. Okay, so let's put this section at the extreme beginning. And initially, the status should be okay. Status is fine. Even if we don't define status, it's fine, because here we are checking if the status is not empty, then show the status. Let's check this one. Okay, I have to delete something from here. Okay, in the contact page, now I will put some information. Email form. Submitted it. Once I submit it, mail will go. Since this is local, mail will not go. When I will put it in the production, you will see the mail is going, and then you will see the status message here. Right now it's trying to connect to the mail server, but it's not able to connect it. So that's it for today about the contact page. So it's saying message submitted, though it is not submitted because locally we don't have the mail. We need the server host where we have the mail server, and then it will be able to send the message.